My name is Mike Katubi. I'm a senior project superintendent with PAC Design and Construction. So we are on the site of the future home of the Brown University Performing Arts Center on the east side of Providence on College Hill. So as design progressed and we finalized on a location for the Performing Arts Center, we quickly realized that the only crane type that would work for both the building construction as well as the community was a tower crane. This is the first tower crane on Brown University. We went through many different options, including crawlers, mobiles, luffings, and we quickly realized that it was in everybody's advantage to utilize a tower crane. The tower crane began arriving on site Friday night. It's approximately 24 pieces were delivered on 12 separate trailers. Installation began Saturday morning and we wrapped up early Sunday afternoon. We've just completed erecting the tower crane, which stands 227 feet above its footing, which is approximately 30 feet below the street grade. A significant milestone in both the Brown Arts Initiative's endeavors as well as the relationship between PAC Design and Construction and Brown University. And this is a culmination of several years of the Brown Arts Initiative's vision for what they want Brown Arts to be on campus.